Hi, Steve here, Head of APEC, Community Growth and Developer Relations at CodexField's. I've been talking about code ownership and developer monetization for weeks now, but today I'm going to show you the actual product, starting with the CodexField's wallet. This is where you manage everything, your earnings, your identity, your assets across different chains. Think of it as a command center for code ownership. I'm going to walk through the main features in this video so you know exactly what to expect when you start using the platform. Let me pull up the wallet. It's actually already here, loaded on the screen, and show you how it works. Alright, so here we are on the main wallet page, right? And this is, again, your main entry point to the entire ecosystem. It's a D-app, a wallet that handles assets management, cross-chain transfers, staking, and your developer identity. All of them in one place. When you first access the platform, you'll connect your wallet using the button in the upper right corner, right here, right? It takes just a few seconds, so let's do it. I click connect. I'm using MetaMask, but we are supporting so many other wallets, and connect. Okay, confirm. And again, as I said, just a few seconds and you're in. Once connected, you'll see the main dashboard, right? It's right here. And then this will show you the token balances. I'll even refresh it to show it faster. Okay, so you can see my BNB balance is here. My USDT balance is down there. So again, this allows you a couple of things. So the interface is actually very straightforward. If you know how to use any crypto wallet, you'll know how to use this. One feature that saves a lot of time is the built-in cross-chain bridge right here. Let's click it and you can see that you have different networks that you can switch, and you can different tokens within those networks that also you can bridge. Okay, so instead of using separate bridge services, you can transfer assets between networks right here. So if you earn revenue on BNB chain, but you want to move it to Ethereum, for example, you do that directly in the wallet. Speaking of different chains, CodexField's is going to expand network support in the future. So we have plans to include Mantle, Base, Arbitrum, and Sui networks. We're also adding DeFi features and account abstraction, which means you'll be able to operate across multiple chains using one identity. No need to manage different accounts for different networks. So the goal is simple. You focus on building and earning, while the wallet handles the technical complexity of managing assets across chains. Next, let me show you the Codex marketplace. This is where all the assets in the ecosystem come together. It's basically the store for everything developers create and share on CodexField's. When you open the marketplace, and let's click it, it's right here, right? Then you'll see different categories of assets. We have code, image, video, all right? So, for example, in code, we have the AI applications. Then we have images, and video is coming soon. You can browse by category, okay? Let me switch between few categories so you can see it. Again, code is here, images here, video is coming soon, okay? And so here is the code section. I'm back here, okay? And these are tools, libraries, and components that other developers have uploaded. And over here is the image section, okay? And there you'll find generated artwork and visual content. Some of these assets, like these on top here, come from our team as templates to help you get started. But most come from community creators, developers like you, who have uploaded their work to monetize it, like this one right here. Okay, so when you find something interesting, just click to see it in details. For example, let's have a look at this. Let me open the interesting part for you, the AI playground. This is where you go beyond just using your own assets and start creating your own. But before that, and let's cut here, I'll take a step back. I want to go into code and show you the snake game. The snake game is very interesting. I mean, it's just a basic code, but let's try it. Yeah, we click the try button. It has the instruction. You use those keys here to control the snake and try not to crash, right? So let's try and start the game right here, okay? By clicking on it, and then we can play. Okay, so here we're starting it. Just 1 second. All right, and we can control the snake from here. Actually, and also one thing I mentioned, you have your player name, you can have the snake colors, the food color, the background color, the grid color, everything customizable, the grid size, the game speed. I'm gonna reduce it to slow now, actually to very slow, so I can show you, and I'm gonna save the settings. All right, so the settings are saved. So let's click and start the game. Oops, I lost because that was too slow, but I'm gonna, okay, it's still a bit fast for me. All right, but it works. So guys, like, I'm using my left hand here, so give me a break. I'm a gamer actually, but in this case, I guess I failed. But the point here, this works, all right, and you can customize it. So let's go back. Let's go back here and click on Remix. If we click on Remix, actually, the AI playground section opens, and you can see so many things here about this game. Okay, we have the description here, we have the project name, we have again shorter description, and the technology stack, right? So here we can click generate code, okay, and the code will be generated. So while we're waiting for this, okay, so code generation is successful, and here you can actually click view, all right, and you can actually run it again if you want to. But we already did that, so let's do something else right now. Okay, so I want to show you actually, and that's a new window. I'll just close it. We'll go back here. Let me show you how this works. So the image generation works in a similar way. All right, so for example, here we have templates, and I'm gonna click remix. Let's remix this original image. Actually, the image generation is in another tab. So chibi style, but change the clothes, yeah, the clothes color to blue. Okay, so we click generate here. This will take a little bit. So meanwhile, the task, as you can see, has been submitted. It's working, and it generates it in real time. It's fast. It may take a while, like a few seconds or up to a couple of minutes. In the future versions, will let you create custom agents, call different AI models directly, and automate entire workflows. The goal is making AI Playground the core creative platform for Web3 creators and AI developers. So think of it this way. The marketplace is where you find and use assets, and the AI Playground is where you create and customize them. Together, they form a complete cycle. Discover, create, share, and earn. And here we are, all right? The clothes and colors are all blue. So this all worked. I hope you guys like it. All right. So now the last feature I want to show you in this video is Quest and Rank. Again, this is one of my main menu items here. So in the Quest and Rank, this is our incentive system that rewards active participation in the ecosystem. And it's pretty simple. You earn points by completing daily check-ins. Actually, I've already done daily check-in. You can see it. I'll click here. It says check-in failed because I just did it. All right. Also, you can finish other tasks. So in the Quest and Rank back here, okay, you can earn points again, and those points show you where you stand in the leaderboard, which is right here in ranks. All right, so this is the top 100 in the Codex Field ecosystem. You can see we have some guy with quite a few points, and then quite a few others, and list goes on. All right, so what are these points for? These points give privileges within the platform, and in the future they'll give you access to something even more important: participation in Codex DAO, governance and profit sharing from the ecosystem. So the earlier you start earning points, the more influence and benefits you'll have as the platform grows. Think of it as building your reputation and stake in the ecosystem while you're building your own code assets. So that's the Codex Field ecosystem. From wallet, where you manage everything, to the marketplace, where you discover assets, to the AI playground, where you create, and Quest and Rank, where you build your reputation. Together, these tools form a complete system from the AI and Web3 creator economy, so you can create code, monetize it, earn from it, and reinvest it in the ecosystem, all in one place. What makes this different is that you're not just a user here. You're a builder, and you benefit directly from what you contribute. Your code becomes an asset. Your participation earns you stake in the platform, and your success is tied to the ecosystem's growth. Follow us on Telegram and X to stay updated as we add new features and expand the platform. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.